Assalamualaikum. So we are into progress 2, which is configuration of SFTP server. In order to do that, first we need to install SSH services. So the command is sudo apt install SSH. After we have done install the SSH service, we create a group for sudo. The command is sudo add group and our sudo group's name. So as for mine is SFTP server 3. Okay. The next step is we have to configure whether if the SFTP are ready or not. So we need to type sudo nano space /etc /ssh/sshd config. When we have successfully opened, we need to go to the bottom and make sure the override default we put hashtag in front of it to make it as a comment, and also don't forget to type these 5 lines. So after we have put a comment and we have typed all those 5 lines, we can just can save and back to the terminal. Then we need to add user. So the command is sudo add user SFTP user 3 / in group SFTP server 3 //shell /usr /sbin /nology. So if you are first time to add a new user, basically they ask you enter new UNIS password. Just create your new password for the user, for the SFTP user 3, and then full name just type SFTP user 3, and the rest we can just let it be. So is the information correct? Yes. Then we need to change the directory. For change permission directory, we need to write the command sudo chown sftp user 3 sftp server 3 /home sftp user 3 /sftp user 3 dir. Then we need to restart the SSH sudo service SSH restart. So in order to check SFTP server, there are several apps we can use, but mine, I'm using FileZilla client. So at the host, we just type our whole IP address, username, we just put the new user that we have created just now, password as well, and port we just put 22, and then click connect. So if there is a file that we have created as SFTP user, it means that we make it.